what's up guys, welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this animated pop-up alert button for your Twitter. We will be doing this in After Effects and Photoshop. If you like the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will leave all the project files down in the description so you can use them on your videos, streams, or you can play around with it and create a new pop-up alert for yourself. I'm really excited to show you, so let's get right into it. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is create a new Photoshop file. So click create new. Make it 1920 by 1080, resolution 72, so everything standard, and click create. Next thing we're going to do is create a shape, so click this tool and drag it out like this. I'm going to make a simple black one, so make it like this. I'm going to make the edges a bit more curved, the corners. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is create a new shape, so a circle that's going to be colored in the main Twitter brand color, and that's the blue one. Scale it down here a little bit and position it on the left side here. Next thing we need to do is add a Twitter logo, so I already have it here in my libraries, but you can find it easily on Google. Make it white and put it on top of this blue circle. Center it properly. I think this is pretty good. I'm gonna even shrink it a little bit more. Okay, and I'm going to shrink the whole circle a little bit more. Okay, this is perfect. Now we can group that, call it icon. This is the shape. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is type some text. So let's say I'm going to type follow me. You can type my Twitter or anything you like. I'm gonna make it white and I'm going to make it a regular, not bold. Let's add an exclamation mark as well. Then make a new text layer and type your username. And I'm going to make this one in bold. And I think I will color this one in a blue color as well. So color pick it here. Like this. Group it. Let's call it text. Like this. Make this shape a little bit smaller. And we can center the whole thing in the middle. I think this is pretty much it. We don't want nothing special, just a simple alert that will pop up on the screen. And we can now just crop the file so we don't have a lot of space wasted. So let's say like this is enough. Delete the background and save it. After everything is done in Photoshop, let's jump into After Effects now and animate this, and let's see how it will look. Alright, now we are in After Effects and let's just import the file I have right here and drag it in there. Click Editable Layer Styles, Composition, and click OK. Now open the composition and here we have our alert. Let's just move the background and there it is. First thing we're going to do is pre-compose all of this. Move all of the attributes into the new composition and click OK. Then open this menu, open the transform menu, click opacity and click on position. And make some keyframes here and make some keyframes right here. On the first keyframe we are going to drag it outside of the frame and lower the opacity to 0. Like this. Then select the position keyframes and keyframe assistant and easy ease. Then go to graph editor and just drag the graph editor like this, and there we have it. If this is enough for you, then okay, but I'm going to animate the icon a little bit and the text. So let's do that now. Go into this composition and click the icon, and let's say I'm going to animate it with a scale animation. So this goes to 1 second and this is 1 second here. So okay, scale it down to actually move the center of the icon here. on top of the layer, on top of the center of the layer, and scale it down to 0. And let's see how that looks. That's a little bit slow, but let's just ease it, and graph editor. Move the graph like here. Okay. This is cool. But I'm going to scale it to 0 so it's invisible. Okay, this is perfect, I think. Yeah, this is perfect. Okay. And now we can animate the text as well. So click on the follow me text, open this menu, put the first keyframe around here, position and opacity, and the second keyframes at 1. Now drag that text down and make the opacity 0 so it goes up like this. Same thing, ease it, put the graph just like the other ones. Okay, perfect. And we can copy all those frames and paste them on the text, where is your username, so it goes in the same time. Or if you like, you can make it go a little bit later so it looks like this. Whichever you prefer. I think it's better when it's in the same time, or maybe a slight delay. Let me see. Yeah, a slight delay will do. And that's pretty much it. We just have to put the we just have to make the ending transition, so make it live outside the frame. But let's just see how long we want it to be on the frame. I think this is enough, so I'm not going to make my composition longer. So just copy these frames, paste it here, and copy the first frames and paste it at the end like this, and now it should work perfectly. I'm going to leave this After Effects file in the description, so if you would like to change some colors or anything, you can easily do it like this. Just go to Effects, find the effect Change to Color, and drag it on whichever shape you'd like. So let's say I want to change the main shape behind, drag it on this shape, from black color to, let's say I want it to be red, change this to hue, lightness and saturation, and there it is. Everything works perfectly, so just add that effect and everything will work. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. You can find all the project files down in the description. They are all free to download. You can check out all my other videos as well, where you can find the project files in the description. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe, leave some comments with some ideas for the next videos. Stay safe and peace out.